After getting banned on my main account, I stopped playing Hill Climb for a few years. But at the start of 2026, I made a new account and have been grinding for many months. I now present top 100 on every map with Monster Truck, part 1.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be, making emotion paintable inside. Tell me, is this what you made me?
and my baby dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Oh, tonight.
Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty room, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, I
days.